To the right of me is a free Google website. It's called Google Sites. And this is what the final product will look like on a mobile phone. It's for a plumber, but it'll work for any local type service business. As you can see, it's fast and mobile responsive. Your prospects can click the contact button on their mobile phone to automatically dial your number. They can also save their contact information for a callback, and we save those contact details in a database. Warning, this is a 100% free website with no sneaky advertising popping up onto your page. So if you like the sound of that, why not hit the like button below? Google Sites is a platform as a service, just like Gmail, where there's no servers to maintain, there's no upgrades, there's no hosting, security is all done for you, and just like Google, the Google Sites is highly reliable. And to build a site, you literally just drag your text, your images and your videos onto the page like you would with a Word document. I also show you how to become visible to your prospects by putting together a blog as part of this Google website. If you have a local service business, such as a plumber, electrician or cleaner, and you need to get online fast, then this is for you. So watch over my shoulder as I go step by step in building this free Google website.